It's so windy out there today. Small talk. Do I look okay?
I know. I need to get a job, don't I?
Yes, you really do.
Where did you come from?
The Middle East.
Yes, I know that, but just now.
I've been trying to get your attention.
Sorry, 70s disco music. Goes so well with cleaning.
I have to find a job. It's not fair on Leila. I need to make a constitution.
Contribution.
Yes, that.
I thought you'd never ask. Of course you can come and work at our kebab shop. But you must have small talk with the customers. You know, the weather, sports, weekend activities.
The weather is just the weather. It's so boring. The shiny sun, the windy wind, the moist rain.
I have an idea. Hello.
Good morning. It's a bright and sunny day today.
Hello.
Good afternoon. It's a nice cool breeze today.
Hello.
Good evening. It is very windy and rainy today.
Very good. Yeah, I
Refreshing.
think you're ready.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Pretty good. Thanks, mate. It's nice that it's a bit cooler today.
Yes. There is a lovely cool breeze today.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It seems Uncle Rami's unusual teaching technique has worked. Small talk is casual conversation about the weather, or sports, or weekend activities. Not sure about that cycling look, but that's a good-looking kebab. Well done, Ziad.